Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many drivers might overlook: gear shift indicators. Do they really help us drive better, or could they potentially harm our engines? Let's find out. Segment 1. What is a gear shift indicator? First off, what exactly is a gear shift indicator? This handy feature is designed to help drivers know the optimal time to change gears. It's particularly useful in manual and semi-automatic vehicles, guiding you to shift at the right RPM for efficiency and performance. Benefits of using gear shift indicators. So, what are the benefits? Well, gear shift indicators can 1. Improve fuel efficiency. Shifting at the right time can help you save fuel. 2. Enhance engine longevity. By avoiding high RPMs, you reduce wear and tear on your engine. 3. Make driving easier. For new drivers, these indicators provide confidence in shifting. Now, let's address the big question: do gear shift indicators harm engines? The short answer is no. When used properly, they are designed to protect your engine rather than harm it. However, there are a few caveats. Ignoring the indicator. If you constantly ignore the indicator and shift too late or too early, it can lead to increased engine strain. Driving style. Every driver has a unique style. Relying solely on the indicator without understanding your vehicle's behavior could lead to suboptimal driving. IPS for using gear shift indicators effectively. Here are some tips to get the most out of your gear shift indicator. Pay attention to your RPMs. Use the indicator as a guide but also listen to your engine. Know your vehicle. Each car has its own characteristics. Familiarize yourself with how it responds to shifts. Practice smooth shifting. Aim for smooth transitions between gears for optimal performance. In conclusion, gear shift indicators are a valuable tool that can enhance your driving experience and protect your engine when used correctly. So next time you see that light on your dashboard, remember it's there to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe and see you next time.